In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up departments in Xero. By the end, you'll know how to create a tracking category for departments and apply it to an invoice, so your reporting clearly shows which team or unit each transaction belongs to. Start on your Xero dashboard and head to the accounting menu. From there, open Accounting Settings. This is where you control key configuration items for your organization. If you don't see this option, you may need access with the right permissions from your Xero administrator. Next, find and open Tracking Categories. In Xero, Tracking Categories let you tag transactions with extra detail like department, location, or project. This makes it much easier to slice your profit and loss, sales, and spending by those tags later on. Choose Add Tracking Category. Give your new category a clear, simple name. For example, type department. Keeping the name short and consistent helps your team select the right option when they create invoices or bills. Under category options, add the choices people will pick from. Enter each option on its own line. For example, you might add HR, department head, and manager. Think ahead to what you'll actually need for reporting and use names your team will instantly recognize. You can edit or archive options later if your structure changes, so don't worry if you need to refine the list over time. Click Save to create the category. You've now set up the department tracking category and it's ready to be used across transactions. Let's apply it to a sale to see how it works. Go to Sales, then select Invoices. Open the Draft tab to view invoices that haven't been approved yet. Choose a draft invoice you want to tag. Inside the invoice, look for the department field. Depending on your layout, this may appear at the header level or alongside line items. Open the drop-down and select one of the options you created under department. This tags the invoice with that department for reporting and analysis. When you're done, click Save and Close. That's it. The invoice now carries your department tracking and it will flow through to your dashboards and review. Later, you can run your sales or profit and loss by tracking category to compare performance across departments and spot trends. A few tips as you roll this out. Be consistent with names to avoid duplicates. Let your team know which option to use for their work and review your options periodically to keep them current. With that, you're set to use departments in Xero using tracking categories.